Hello my dear students, how are you all? Today we will study English Primer Chapter 2 Vowel Sound of A. Speak loudly. Car, add, bag, pan, fan, man, bat, hat, mat, rat, fat, cat. Read aloud with vowel sound A. Back, pack, rack, sack, tag, rag, bag, bag, hall, wall, call, fall, mat, hat, bat, fat. Learning skills: and, ran, dan, pan, van, fan, man. At, rat, mat, pat, bat, cat, fat. App, nap, tap, wrap, gap, map, cap. R, mar, tar, far, jar, car, war. Ag, tag, lag, rag, wag, sack, bag. I, nail, mail, rail, sail, tail, fail. A, clay, stay, bray, tray, pray, play. Let's do the exercise. A, see the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. A black cat is running after a white rat. The white rat is fat. It is wearing a hat. The black rat jumps into a van. A man is driving the van. Other man is waiting for the van. B, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. The girl is wearing a hat. The boy has a cat. The boy has a bat. The man is sitting on a mat. I hope you enjoy learning.